Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What if everything you think you know about temperature is only the surface? Because temperature isn't just hot or cold. It's something deeper, invisible, and constantly moving right now, even as you sit still. Trillions of tiny particles are in motion, and that motion is what you're actually feeling. Stay with me, because once you understand this, you'll never feel temperature the same way again. Let's begin. What is temperature? At its core, temperature is a measure of how fast particles are moving, not how hot something feels, but how much energy its particles have. Imagine this: every object around you, the air, your skin, the table is made of tiny particles, atoms and molecules, and they're never still. They vibrate, collide, move constantly. When these particles move faster, the object has more thermal energy, and we say it's hotter. When they move slower, it has less energy, and we say it's colder. So temperature is not a thing you touch. It's a measurement of motion. Now here's something strange. Two objects can feel different, even if they are the same temperature. For example, metal feels colder than wood, but both can be at the exact same temperature. Why? Because metal transfers heat faster. It pulls heat away from your skin quickly, making it feel colder. Wood, on the other hand, transfers heat slowly, so it feels warmer, even though scientifically they're equal. Already, temperature isn't what it seems. Now, let's go deeper. What happens when temperature drops to the lowest possible point? There is something called absolute zero, the coldest temperature possible. At absolute zero, particles have almost no motion. They're as still as physics allows. That temperature is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, or 0 Kelvin. But here's the fascinating part. We can never truly reach it, only get closer and closer. Now, let's flip the question. What about extreme heat? When particles move faster and faster, temperature rises, but there's no true maximum temperature limit. In extreme environments, like stars, particles move incredibly fast, colliding, releasing massive energy. This is what creates heat, light, and even nuclear reactions. Now let's connect this to your everyday life. When you touch something hot, energy flows from that object into your skin. When you touch something cold, energy flows out of your body into it. Temperature isn't just about objects, it's about energy transfer, always moving from higher energy to lower energy. This flow is called heat. So here's the key idea. Temperature measures energy. Heat is energy in motion. Now think about this. Why do we sweat? Sweat cools you down because when it evaporates, it takes heat away from your body. It's not just water, it's energy leaving, helping your particles slow down. And here's something even more surprising. Cold doesn't actually exist. What we call cold is simply less heat, less particle motion. There's no cold energy, only the absence of heat. Let that sink in. Now let's go even deeper. In space, temperature behaves differently. In direct sunlight, objects can be extremely hot, but in the shade, extremely cold, because there's almost no air, no medium to transfer heat. Temperature depends not just on energy, but how that energy moves. So now, when you feel warmth or cold, you're not just feeling temperature, you're sensing energy, movement, collisions at a microscopic level. And the more you understand it, the more incredible it becomes, because temperature isn't just a number. It's a story of motion, energy, and interaction happening everywhere, all the time. So the next time you step outside or touch something warm or cold, remember, you're not just feeling temperature, you're feeling the invisible dance of particles in motion. Stay here for a moment. Let this idea settle. Let it repeat in your mind, because the more you hear it, the more it becomes clear. And now, slowly, gently, we begin again with what if? Everything you think you know about temperature is only the surface. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.